I pasted one of my own emails into an AI tool and asked it to grade me. I was not ready for what it said. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact audit live. You'll see the real score, you'll see where my content fell short, and I'll show you how to run any piece of your own content through the same free tool. I'll give you access to it. Let's get into it. So here's what most creators do. They'll have AI create an email for them and they just assume it's perfect, right? Wrong. What if we take that thing that AI created or that we created ourselves and ran it through a scoring system to let us know if it's a heater? And if it's a heater, it means it's hot, it's good, it's got hooks, it'll keep people's attention, it will hold them all the way through to taking the action we want. But what's happening is we're spending more time than ever making all of this content, and some of us are using AI to speed it up, but the views aren't coming and the clicks aren't happening and the emails aren't converting the way we'd hoped. But what if the problem isn't how much you're posting? What if it's the content itself? It's just not holding the attention long enough to even matter. That's the question nobody wants to ask, because it means taking an honest look at your own work. Now, I've spent over a decade building content frameworks for my own business for coaches, writers, and course creators that I work with. And the number one thing I see sink good content isn't bad ideas. It's a weak hook that loses people in the first 3 seconds, or a middle section that drifts, or a call to action that never quite lands. The hard part, most of us can't see it in our own work. We're just too close to it. So I built something to fix that. It's a Claude skill, and I call it, Is It a Heater? And it audits any piece of content against 4 specific criteria. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually run one of my own emails through it. And it's going to reveal a score for each part of it in real time. And at the end, I'll get the final verdict. Is it a certified heater? Is it almost a heater? Or is it not yet a heater? No big feedback, no fluff, just an honest grade and exactly what I should improve. So let me show you how it works. So I'm going to pull in an email that I had created, which is right here. We're just going to copy this entire email. You can use any form of short form, long form content for this. Now, this is specifically a skill that I created. You can get if you know how to install a Claude skill, which is basically just a file that you upload into Claude, and then you have it anytime you want. You can get it completely free. Just click on the link in the description below and you can download it, add this into your own Claude. There's a couple ways that you can call up a skill. You can say certain keywords, or just to keep it simple, we're going to click into here. We're going to go to skills, and here is a heater. And then I'm going to say, analyze the following email. Paste that email in, and here it runs. Now, what it's doing is it's analyzing it in 4 critical areas, and then we're going to look at it together, and we're going to be able to see exactly what's happening, and it's going to tell us what we should improve. And this is really important because there's different parts. There's 4 key parts that we're going to walk through and look at together. The hook being the first part, which is really important. Then you've got the build, the middle area, or the stack, or the list, or the core content. Is that holding people's attention? So hook, hold. And then the payoff. Is there a payoff to your piece of content, a lesson to be learned, a takeaway to have? And then finally, is there a strong call to action? So let's jump back in here and let's see what happens. So we had a verdict. The verdict is it's almost a heater. The concept is sharp, the voice is consistent, and the mechanism reveal lands well. One beat is pulling its weight below the other. So we're going to look at these and let's zoom in so we can see this a little bit better. All right. Okay. Hook, strong opening. The email is a passive result of everything else they're doing. That was the statement. Then we have the stack. This is the strongest beat. Each paragraph hands off to the next cleanly. Payoff. This is the underperformer. Organic content saying this is a little bit off. And then the invite, the open loop works well structurally. So what it does then is it takes these 4 elements, by the way, here against the 4 elements, the hook, and then the stack, which is really the hold part of it, the core content, the payoff, which is the lesson or the takeaway, and then the invite at the end. What is the invite to your piece of content? So here's what's working. The reframe is the type of email. It's just called a reframe. It's clean and earned. The 47-year-old coach example is doing a lot of the work. The stat is perfectly placed. The voice is consistent all the way through. What needs work? The payoff gets interrupted. So that's interesting. And again, I know you haven't read the email, but that is something to look at. The invite is slightly generic for where the reader is emotionally. Okay, that's interesting. And set it up once, the algorithm does the rest is good. But it's sitting in the middle of a long paragraph. So what it's telling me is This is something that should really land. It needs its own line in your email. So it gives you some coaching suggestions. After you need a system that works while you're creating the content you love, consider stopping. That's your close. So consider stopping it right next. Pull, set it up once, the algorithm does the rest out of the paragraph. Then it talks about some other suggestions here. I won't read all of them. Encouragement, the bones are generally good, the reframe is real. So here's what you can do. If you look at this and you're like, man, I don't know how to make this better, well, we can just ask the tool to make it better for us. So I can say something like, based on your recommendations here, can you rewrite the email and improve it according to what you suggested? All right, give it a chance to think, and it's going to rewrite it for us. So it took that one statement that it felt like was a good landing statement and put it on its own line. Now what we can do is we can say, now analyze what you just wrote and take it back through the analysis of the heater and let us know how we score. The verdict, certified heater. All four beats are working. The structural fixes resolve the payoff problem. The invite now pulls forward with emotional specificity and the email lands clean. You have a strong hook. You got a good stack, a good payoff, and a good invite. Here's what's working. Show some minor things that you could improve. It's always going to suggest something, but now we've got an even better email than we had before. Now, this is a simple process, but if you could just take any piece of content, whether AI creates it or you create it, and run it through this, have it analyze it in those 4 key areas, and then improve it, you're going to have far better content that's going to land, it's going to hook, it's going to hold them, you're going to get better calls to action with this process. So you can use this with any type of content. It doesn't have to be emails. It could be social media, post, it could be YouTube scripts, podcast scripts, any kind of content, sales pages, all of it can work for this skill. So if you'd like this, again, you can click on the link in the description below, grab it, go install it, and start running every piece of content through it before you send it out, and it's going to improve everything that you're doing. Now, if you are a coach, a writer, or a speaker, and you want to learn the path to 100K in your business, it's really about 9 key things that you need to install. I did a complete video called the 100K Messenger Path, and you can go watch that video right here. We'll see you in that video.